Hi, I'm Susan, and today we will be going over how to navigate the EDOnext yearbook ladder. To start, from your yearbook dashboard, you can select Manage, then click Manage Ladder. The ladder is an overview of your current book project, which includes page previews. At the top, we have some filters to show which pages are not started, in progress, or locked. We also have some features like page numbering. This will automatically add numbers to your book PDF with various styles of your choosing. Next is Preview Book, which will allow you to flip through each page preview as well as request downloadable PDFs sent to your email address. Move Pages will let you click and drag spreads and reorganize your layout. Share will allow you to send a preview of your page to your peers for review. Lastly, Print will let you print a packet of each page in your book without needing to download a PDF. Now, if we scroll down, we can see the preview of our cover on the right-hand side. On the left, we can see the cover dimensions and who it is currently assigned to the page. If no one is assigned to the page, then anyone with editor privileges can edit the design. Because of this, we usually suggest you assign the cover to someone specific or to the yearbook advisor. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see that each page has the same setup. You can add notes to each page by using the section drop-down, which gives the page a quick title like sports or academics. You can also give your students a due date for completion. You can also assign the pages to two people and type in any extra notes at the bottom in the notes section. Just remember that only one person can work on a spread at the same time, so be sure to divvy out the work equally. At the top of each page, you can select the lockpad icon. This allows you, the advisor, to lock the pages so that only you can have access to them. There are also options here to mark the page as approved or hide the page. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial, and happy yearbook building.